Most courses just throw a ton of information at you and leave you to figure it out on your own. That's why I like this AI Business Builder Challenge. Right here at the top, you can see it's about starting a profitable AI powered business by selling products you did not create yourself. And the best part, it's broken into 5 clear daily steps. Scroll down and you can see each episode. We have day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way through day 5. Each one focuses on one simple step so you're never guessing what to do next. You will also learn how to start a freelance digital marketing business using AI, sell products you did not create, and follow a plan that doesn't require funnels, websites, or tech headaches. There are even bonuses included, but the main thing is that every day you just watch a short training, complete the step for that day, and by the end, you will have a working AI powered business plan and a clear next step forward. Joining is simple. Just click the button right here, fill out your details, and you will get instant access. I've dropped the link in the description so you can check it out and get started today.